Hey, what's up guys? Are you seeing a WooCommerce option to my sidebar in WordPress? If yes, then in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can install WooCommerce plugin in WordPress. Without any delay, let's start. So friends, first of all, you can see that I have installed the WordPress on my local host. Next, you have to click on plugin and click on add new button here. Here you have to search for WooCommerce. You can see the WooCommerce plugin here and it have 5+ million of active installation at the moment, and click on install now button. It will take few moments. So the plugin is installed. Next you have to click on activate. After clicking on the activate button, you will see this option. Here we have to provide some information to WooCommerce. First of all, it is asking for country. I will type here Pakistan and the province is Punjab. So I will select this option and next select the address like D ground Kohinoor city, and here we have to type our postcode, which is 38,000, and city is Faisalabad. Here you have to write your email and make sure to not select this option and click on continue and click on no thanks, because we don't want to share our personal information with WooCommerce. Click on no thanks. Here it is asking for that for which purpose we are going to use this WooCommerce plugin. So here you have to select the category, that which type of products you are selling. I'm going to select here first two, because according to your these selected categories, WooCommerce will show you the available themes. Here it is asking that what type of products or services you are selling, but I have selected physical products. Suppose maybe you have some software that you are selling to customers. You can select this according to your requirement, but in my case I'm going to select physical products. Click on continue. From here I will select 1100 to 100 and select no, because it is asking that either you selling your products somewhere else or not. So I will select no. Click on continue button, and from here make sure to uncheck these four options. These four options for digital marketing purposes, but in this video we are just going to learn that how to install WooCommerce plugin, and make sure to select this enhance speed and security with Jetpack and click on continue button. Friends, here it is asking for that either we want to install a theme, and here you can see that it is showing us their available themes. These are paired. You can install them or you can install this free storefront theme from here, but currently in this video I'm going to skip this process because this video was to show you to installation of this plugin. So I will click on skip this step. So friends, WooCommerce has been installed successfully, and now here you can see the WooCommerce plugin option to my sidebar. Just click on this and the next steps are up to you. You can add your products, set up payments, add taxes, and use the available options in the WooCommerce plugin. Friends, I hope you must enjoyed this video. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.